Magandang umaga mga kapuso! Kapag healthy lifestyle ang pag-uusapan, di mawawala ang ehersisyo. Kaya ang grupong ito ang hinahanda running shoes at bottled water while keeping the legs moving. Let's all welcome Zamboanga Trail Runners. At ngayong umaga, ating makakasama ang PIO ng grupo na si Sir Kiko Miranda. Sir Kiko, welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka this morning?
Gandang umaga mga kapuso. Maayos naman po ako at hoping that everyone also is doing well and keeping yourself healthy.
Sir Kiko, sa anong kadahilanan na buo ang grupong Zamboanga Trail Runners?
Alam mo, Cyril, ang Zamboanga Trail Runners ay binuo noong 2018. Katulad ng siguro mga karamihan ng mga clubs, no? Nagsimula ito sa very small group of people. Ang tawag nga sa kanila noon ay the Weekend Warriors. No? Itong maliit na grupo ay magkakaibigan, no, na who share the common interest of running. Pero hindi lamang running sa road, pero they found this attraction of running on mountains, no, on trails. And because of dahil dun sa interest na 'yon, naging regular yung pagtakbo nila sa mga bundok dito sa Zamboanga City.
Sino-sino po ang qualified to be part of your group?
Cyril, lahat po ay welcome to join the Zamboanga Trail Runners. No? Wala kaming pinipili. Walang very high requirement for membership. Ang importante, basta ikaw ay mahilig tumakbo, kung mahilig ka sa adventure, kung gusto mo may mga makausap or makasama, o may gusto kang fitness goals, kumbaga, no, mapa-atleta man or kahit just starting, I welcome na mag-join dito sa Zamboanga Trail Runners.
Nako Sir Kiko, napag-alaman namin na ang Zamboanga Trail Runners ay very active talaga sa mga events ng Zamboanga City LGU and mostly on environmental advocacies. Please share naman po some latest activities na sinalihan ng grupo.
Cyril, ang ZTR ay bata pa lang, no? Parang magfa 5 years old pa lang ata kami. Pero dahil sa willingness at talagang passion ng mga miyembro namin sa running and sa health and fitness, marami na rin mga activities na sinalihan namin, lalo na in collaboration with the LGU. Napaka-importante para sa amin ang advocacies on environmental awareness. So, recently we partnered with the Zamboanga Office for Environment and Natural Resources for the Basuran. Ito ay parang plugging, no, to spread awareness of proper solid waste management and environmental care.
Having ZTR, sa tingin nyo Sir Kiko, ano po ba ang major achievement ng grupo na nag-iwan ng malaking impact sa bawat miyembro?
Cyril, tuwing kinakausap ko ang aming mga new members or other members, no, isa sa common narrative nila, no, sa impact ng Zamboanga Trail Runners is that they were able to find a community that helped them in their health and well-being. If we're talking of health and well-being, this is not just physical health, no, yung body natin, pero the well-being sa mind natin at saka sa soul. When you spend time with nature, no, seeing the beautiful sceneries, breathing in very fresh air, it helps us in our well-being. And common narrative yan sa mga members na tinatanong ko, bakit pa kayo na laging sumasama sa mga weekend runs natin na pagkalayo-layo, pagka hirap-hirap paakyat ng bundok. Lagi nila sasabihin, Sir Kiko, pag nasa bundok kami, nakakalimutan namin ang problema namin. Pagkasama namin ng ZTR, puro tawanan. Sir Kiko, pag nasa syudad ka, puro polusyon yung hinihinga mo, no? Pero pagdating natin sa bundok, very fresh air. At nakakatulong yan sa overall well-being namin.
Alright, please share Sir Kiko any future activities na gagawin pa ng Zamboanga Trail Runners.
We are preparing for some activities. The first is this September. We are collaborating with the Armed Forces in Sulu because it's they're organizing the guerrilla obstacle race in Sulu. So Zamboanga Trail Runners, they contacted us to partner with them to help set up the race and to help invite people to participate in the guerrilla obstacle in Sulu. Our biggest event actually for this year, and this has been going for our 4th year now, is the Zamboanga Mountain Ultra Marathon. We started this in 2018, and this year, ang highlight ng Zamboanga Mountain Ultra Marathon ay ang aming 100-kilometer distance. So we have 3 distances. We have 25 kilometers, we have 50 kilometers, and we have the 100 kilometers. Sana makita namin ang mga kapuso na nakikinig at nanonood sa atin to come to Zamboanga City and experience trail running in Zamboanga, sports events like the Hermosa Triathlon and the Zamboanga Mountain Ultra. If you decide to visit Zamboanga, just contact Zamboanga Trail Runners. We'll be happy to tour you into the mountains and the beautiful rivers and waterfalls of Zamboanga City. Free of charge para sa ating mga turista na gustong bumisita ng Zamboanga.
Maraming salamat, Sir Kiko Miranda, sa panahon na iyong inilaan dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. More power and God bless.
Maraming salamat At Home with GMA Regional TV for having me and Zamboanga Trail Runners. Mag-ingat po lahat and stay healthy po.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.